Most people don't fail because they're slow. They fail because they're slow on the wrong things and fast on the wrong ones. When I make decisions, I don't think about speed first. I think about impact. Because not every decision deserves the same level of attention. Some decisions are small. They don't change much. Spending too much time on them is a waste, so I move fast.
But then there are decisions that shape everything. Direction, resources, long-term outcomes. Those I slow down. Most people get this backwards. They rush big decisions and overthink small ones. That's where mistakes happen. Speed feels productive, but speed without clarity creates problems. At the same time, waiting too long creates different problems. Opportunities don't stay open forever. So the real skill is not speed. It's knowing when speed matters and when patience matters more. I don't try to be fast. I try to be right at the right speed, because a fast, wrong decision is expensive, and a slow, right decision can still work. But the best position is this: clear thinking at the right moment. That's what creates leverage. You don't need to move fast all the time. You need to move right at the right time.